Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day. Today, we're going to look at how to post your new job on Facebook. So, maybe you've started a new job and you want to let your friends know, or maybe you just want to make connections in the industry. Well, you can do this by updating everyone on your new job. So, to start with, head over to your Facebook profile, scroll down to where it says What's on Your Mind, and click on there. So from there, you've got different options. We're going to click on the three dots and we're going to scroll down to where it says Life Update. So you're going to click on there and it gives you options for different life events you can share. So you can see the work one here. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to click on New Job. So you can write whatever title you want. So you can say started job or started a new job here or volunteering, or you can put the name of the skill there. It's totally up to you. Then it asks you for the workplace. So you can put the workplace that you've started at. So just for this tutorial, I'm going to write Google. Then you can set the date. So you can set the exact date that you started the job. And when you're done, you're going to click on the blue button that says done. From there, it'll take you to your post for you to have a final look at it. So you can see started job at Google today. You can add in a different photo or video if you like, and you can also add in extra details, some text to go with your post about saying how happy you are or saying thanks to different people. So when you're ready, you can set your post to go out like publicly to anyone on or off Facebook or just to your friends. So click done, and when you're happy, you can click post and your new post will go live. So I hope that was helpful. Please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, write them below the video. I will see you soon.